Hi, it's Britt with ShirtSpace.com. Today I'm here to talk to you about a 50-50 blend tee that is not only durable, a great contender for garment decoration, but is also really affordable. Up next. The Jerzees 29M DRI-POWER Active T-shirt is a great choice if you're looking for a shirt that comes in at a low cost but doesn't suffer in quality. It's a classic fit tee with durable construction, a 50-50 cotton poly blend, more on that later, plus it's super affordable. Are you starting to see why we sell so many of these shirts? They're actually really commonly used for sports t-shirts, so if you like to wear sports merchandise or you're an athlete, you probably come across this shirt at some point in time. This shirt is made tough in its fabrication with a double needle cover stitch front neck, double needle stitched hem sleeves and bottom, shoulder to shoulder tape, and a seamless 1x1 ribbed collar and a tearaway label. This is a tubular shirt, meaning there are no side seams, but this is great for custom shirt designers because you have a lot more room for your logo, design, or message. The Oxford color is 53% polyester and 47% cotton. The other colors, 46 to be exact, come in a 50-50 cotton polyester blend. The 50-50 blend of fabric makes it the perfect canvas for many forms of garment decoration. Typically, blending cotton and polyester results in less shrinkage, more durability, and an overall lower cost. The benefits are plentiful. Screen printers. This is a great shirt for your designs, so water-based, discharge, and plastisol inks are a go. Heat transfer vinyl is safe as well, but as always, check your manufacturer settings and also your heat settings so you don't burn your shirt. You're also free to embroider as you wish. For tie-dye projects, we recommend using 100% cotton for best results, so this might not be the best shirt for you. Thank you for joining me to get the rundown on the Jerzees 29M, available at ShirtSpace.com, the best site to visit for all your blank apparel needs. If you have any questions or have a tee or topic you'd like us to cover, make sure to mention it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful day.